She's so hot. No, you're cute. What? No, you. I can't believe I got you. That's so cool. I'm so happy. I hope this is a good one. No, you. I could go all day. Don't fight me on this. I could go all day. Wait. Tabby, did you just... Tabby, thank you for the other gifted. Stop. Oh my god, that's so sweet. Oh my god, Tabby. Thank you. You're gonna make me cry, girl. You do not have to do that. I don't know what you're talking about. Yes, you do. You know exactly what you're talking about. You probably die first. Not if I have anything to do with it. We have twins. That's scary. No. No, I don't know. Help, help, help. I'm scared. Help, I'm being abused by a child. Where's she coming from? I'm scared. Okay, no one saw that. She scared me. She scared me. These lies, nuh-uh. Nuh-uh. Thank you so much, Tabby. I love you. I do, I do. 5K hours? Oh my god. Y'all are crazy. I'm nervous. Thank you. Oh, we have our Christmas outfits. Wait, we look so cute together. Are you coming, Chappy? Thank you. Ah. Dude, we actually look so cute. Look at us. All Christmassy. It's so cute. Nearly 100 hours? Oh my god. Kind of jealous. You're like fresh to the game. Fresh eyes. Do I know the old song? You sure do. By Strike? I don't know. I think I'd have to listen to it. I'd have to listen to it to see if I recognize it. Is it a good song? I don't play Survivor much. It doesn't matter though. Like, you don't have to come play. I'm not forcing you, so don't worry about it. But, like, you're more than welcome. I don't care how good someone is at the game. It doesn't matter. It literally doesn't matter. It's just about hanging out and playing with your besties and having a grand time. And, yeah. All that matters. Like, if I didn't want to, if I was that worried about it, I wouldn't have open lobbies, you know what I mean? If that was something that actually bothered me. Oh, fuck. Okay, they're on a gen there. I should go back. I think she has the add-on where she's undetectable. Yeah, fuck. I run. I would be down for that. I mean, are you, how long are you going to be gaming for? I could maybe rope Joel into that. We could do some customs and we could do actual VC. Or maybe we could do it, I won't be here this weekend. Next week, I guess. I'm going to be away this weekend, back on Monday, I think. Traveling to New South. Okay, all good, Trappy, all good. Ducklet in chat, everybody. If I have to touch that freaking child again, I'm gonna cry, thank God. Come to ACT, please. No, I can't. Whee, she scared me. Come touch the gen. You won't. Epic meetup for real? Yes, when I'm finished streaming, which will be soon, I think, I will make a thing. I might make a poll and just see how many people will be open to actually playing Killer. Oops. Watch it get blown up. Yeah, and then, because I mean, I would play Killer. I'd happily play Killer. Play Bubba or something. Joe would play Oni. Trappy, you play Killer. What? Also, Chrome, I'll teach you how to moonwalk. It's tricky, but I'll teach you. Oh god, she'll catch up to me though because of that. Damn. You'll be able to play Killer? Hell yeah. I mean, it's a good time for people to just to practice. Because you don't have to worry about people being too sweaty. We can always put restrictions on what we use. Oh fuck. Oh fuck. No! I'm just a girl, don't touch me. I'm just a girl. Yeah, we can always put restrictions down so we're not like, you know, being too sweaty. What poll is this? I'm gonna make a customs game channel, and I was gonna do a poll and just to see how many killers we could sort of get into the mix of it. Have we done main? We haven't done main. Looping practice. Yeah, it's very good, right? And we can learn how to moonwalk together. Does she have Grim? Mayhem has Grim. Is there a chest in here? I'm on me way. I'm on me way. Hehehehe. Oh, that's cute. They're healing me because I'm second. Oh, stuff. I'm gonna blush. Third warden. Wait, what? What? You play Huntress? Oh my god. That scares me. Where are the gen? Oh, I don't think we should do that, Jen. I think we need to do that, Jen. Or Shink. Nice. That scared me. I didn't think Yui was there. Her stunning scared me. I want this gen. Oh, she's at the gen I want to do. Oh. Okay, I want this gen. Oh no. No Chrome. No Chrome. I'll play Bubba and I'll play Trappy and I'll play what else do I play? I'll play Scratchy Myers and I'll scare you guys.